In the world of Japanese cuisine, sushi in particular, resides a notion that cannot be found in the West. It's known as KIREAJI. The country's long tradition of crafting swords gave birth to the Japanese culinary knife, or wabocho. Reading the temperature of the flame by its color and the condition of the metal when it hits the water, the blacksmiths use their sharpened senses to create one-of-a-kind knives, unrivaled the world over. When it comes to Japanese cuisine, a knife must do more than just cut. It creates flavor through the act of cutting. The polishers, knowing the depths to cuisine, concentrate solely on sound and fingertips. Since ancient times, Japanese chefs have known how to accentuate the essence of each ingredient. They breathe new life into the food, cutting smoothly or sharply as needed without damaging the delicate cell walls. Texture, scent, umami, succulence, all the desired elements and nothing but. These are all brought out thanks to KIREAJI. Within this incisive cutting quality lies possibilities unknown to the gastronomy of the world. As harbingers of tradition, handing down and updating as see fit, the culinary craftsmen of Japan continue to open new doors for the gourmands of the world. Feel KIREAJI.